So now that you have created or planned your own sanctuary, we need to think about the fact that if you are building the sanctuary, there isn't an unlimited amount of money. You know, there is a budget. So remember, a budget was one of the words we were looking at in our success criteria. And the definition of a budget is a set amount of money that you have and are allowed to spend. So you're not going to have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of money. There is a set budget that you have. All right. So we need to think about now, when we are creating this sanctuary, we are only going to have a £20 million budget or 20 million real budget. All right. This may sound like a lot, but you just need to think about what the number is. So 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Just think about those numbers and how you can add those numbers up to make 20. Alright, so on this side here, I've got some of the ideas that we have that I've put down. So for example, if I planted 100 trees, that would cost 1 million. If I want to have a big river through the sanctuary, 5 million. Alright. Rather than draw a completely new plan, I want you to look at the plan that you have just made, and I want you to maybe add up all of the things that you have and see how much money that you've spent. And if you've spent too much, well, once you've done that, can you write down, I know you can't see it, it's very faint here, but in some of the places I've put the price of each of that, or each of them, on my sheet. And once you've done that, you can see either how much you can spend, or if you've spent too much, what you need to take off. And that's getting you to think about what are the most important things that a mountain gorilla needs, and that's thinking about what a habitat is, what does it provide. There are 3 things that a habitat provides. It's food, shelter and water. So those are going to be your priorities. And then you think about, well, what else can we put in there? What can we do to make these mountain gorillas safe? So now, can you please add up all of the things that you have? Is it too much? Is it not enough? So then that means you can start to either take things out or add more things. If you do think of any other things that you want to put in there for these mountain gorillas, do add them and add a price to them as well. And then once you've done that, you can start to colour your sanctuary.